there's the first dig.
Trying to do a bit of a problem here.
Hey.
Hey man.
You almost ready?
Yeah, I'm just getting my boots, but have you seen my new short or no?
No, I haven't.
Here, check it out. I think we got some pretty good height on there.
I don't know. It's getting kind of old. We've had it for a while.
It's time to extend it.
I think so.
Alright, I'll get the steer out.
Alrighty, we're getting started now. There's the first dig. Feet, 40 feet from the takeoff, all the way to the end of the landing. I said about 30 feet, but I think it's pretty big now. Not too much from the jump, and we've got about double that distance now. That's just the gap. Then we've got some landing here, just a little bit, and then the landing.
Extend it a bit. Is it much further?
I don't think so. I think it's a little shorter actually. Yeah, it's not much bigger. It's just a good like 20 feet.
So as we were widening the path, we ran into a bit of a problem here. The tire popped off the speed, and so now we can't do anything. It's not a good thing, but gotta work our way around it. Hopefully we get to hit it tonight, but we'll see.
Oh, we will.
So this is what we got for the jump so far, and it's bigger for sure. I'll just have to lock on the brakes and then hope I don't run into it or crank to the left. We'll see what happens. No dig, no ride.
No dig, no ride.
But yeah, we're just gonna finish up the landing here, and then I should be semi alright to jump. Yeah. We'll see if this guy does.
I might.
Maybe, we'll see.
Depends if I'm driving him to the hospital or not.
So we're all suited up, and we've got a pretty good finish on the landing, but it's still a bit sketchy how the skid steer's right there. We're just gonna have to lock on the brakes or crank it to the right or left, either way, but staying straight. But yeah, we're gonna see what happens. It's a pretty big jump. What do you think?
You're fucking insane. Holy fuck.
That was a little bit sketchy with the skid steer there, but it's fine. Ethan's gonna try his luck on it. Yeah, that'd be a lot flat. Okay, we got a tape measure, and we're gonna measure how long it is. That's what he said. Yeah, I know. Holy man. We're gonna need to do this a few times. So 50 feet.
Where do you want it? Top of the takeoff at the beginning?
I think top of the takeoff.
Yeah, 51, 52 feet.
It's not a giant jump, but that's still pretty big.
Not giant.
His face. Yeah. When we weren't recording, Ethan took a bit of a fall over this berm. This is what his helmet. Look at his GoPro. Side angle. Get a side angle. Oh man, that was funny. I look over. I just like started my bike or whatever. Came over. He was just like the bike was just laid over, and he's just standing there, and all I see is his visor and his GoPro. Just like, man, that was funny. Because of the whole skid steer situation, I couldn't extend the jump as far as I wanted to, but that'll be a next video kind of thing, you know. I'm hoping, so it's at 52 feet right now. I'm thinking like 65 feet. I may be pushing it with a little bit of runway we have, and I'm on a 150, so I can't really reach for fourth around that corner. I probably could, but yeah, we'll see. I'm hoping we can push it that long, but not sure yet. Thanks for watching though, and well, watching to the end. And don't forget to drop a like, and I'll see you next video. Get ready for it.